Hello, happy Friday. So you see I got another package. I'm gonna be having a couple of packages coming in over the next couple of weeks. But happy Friday. Hope everybody had a good week, safe week. I know this week was, going into this week was a little rough with Kobe Bryant and his daughter and his friends, teammates and stuff, and that horrible accident. So I know it was a tough week for me. Anyway, glad it's Friday. My busy is still not over. My son has a game tonight, and then the little one has a football game tomorrow, which, oh gosh. Saturdays are my sleeping days. I don't have to do nothing if I don't want to. Anyway, what was I gonna say? I'm almost close to that 4,000. I'm under 200 hours to go. So if y'all can please watch my videos all the way through, I greatly appreciate it. It seemed like these last 300 hours have been moving like a turtle. So please watch my videos all the way through. If you haven't caught any of my other videos, you could run a playlist. Just let it run. I'll be greatly appreciative because I'm just so over it right now. But I bought myself a little gift. I wanted to try out some other things. They put out. No, they did not. Let me see if I could remember who this one. Okay. So I was online. Y'all know I've been on my jewelry kick the past couple of months. I saw this jewelry store on Instagram. It's called NOA. And they sell like gold filled and fine jewelry, which means solid gold. So this is the bag. This is the little box that they sent it in. The shipping was fast. And I thought this bracelet was kind of cute, so I'm hoping that I like it. It looked more bold online, so this is it. It looked like it was really big online. So this is 14 karat gold filled. And these aren't real diamonds. They're either quartz or cubic zirconia. But I really thought this part was a little bit more bold. Again, this is gold filled. So with gold filled, it's like another alternative to solid gold. You can wear it just like solid gold. So it says that I've read online that you can wet it, shower with it, and everything, and it won't turn or tarnish. And here it goes. So yeah, so that's why I tried it. I'm trying to think. What did I pay for it? I can't, they didn't put any receipt in here, and I'm on my phone. So let me go and come back so I can give y'all all of the details. Okay, I'm back. So I was reading the thing. It's supposed to be rose gold. I don't know what happened because this is not rose gold. This is 18 karat gold filled, though, over jeweler's brass. So yeah, this was originally $109, but they're having a Valentine's Day sale, 20% off their whole website. So I ended up paying like $87 for it. This is so blurry. I'm trying to get a good view of it. So yeah, I ended up paying $87 for it. And so yeah, all of her stuff is gold filled. I believe she may have some fine gold or some silver. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, she does have sterling silver as well. because I was going to do another bracelet, but I said, let me see how I like this, and hell, I can't even get this thing on. Let me come back. Well, I can't even see where you open this thing up, and I don't want to break it, because it looked like you would open it up from right here, but it's nothing, like everything is sealed shut. And I don't want to break it. I think this might be going back. But the company is called NOA. This is confusing to me. I thought it was supposed to be rose gold. This is not rose gold. This is yellow gold. It's pretty though. But yeah, this will be going back. I can't even figure out how to open it and put it on. So if y'all want to check out the website, it's called NOA. They are on Instagram. That's how I came across them. And they sell sterling silver and gold-filled gold. So there's that on this. I was so excited to get this, and it's like wonk. I can't even put the darn thing on. Oh well. Everybody enjoy your weekend. Until next time. Peace.